Okay, I'm going to do a quick oil change on the Ford 8N tractor today, and I'm going to add some Marvel Mystery Oil to the oil, and I'm hoping that's going to help. I think I have a sticky valve on cylinder 1. A few symptoms there. One is the compression test. When I did the compression test, it didn't come right up to pressure on that cylinder right away. And you can hear the noise it's making. I think that's that clacking noise is related to the valve train. And I'm going to do a valve job in it, but hopefully the mystery oil, you can hear it now when I shut it off too. You can hear the noise as the engine shuts off, a little bit more pronounced. But hopefully a little Marvel mystery oil will help. You can hear it right here. It's warmed up a little bit, and it's kind of quieted down, but it's getting a little bit of a different noise now. And I think it's related to the governor. If you notice the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the linkage moving on top of the governor. I'm moving the throttle. And when I put the throttle all the way down, it starts making that high-pitched noise. I'm not sure whether something's out of adjustment or if that's something worn out. If you know, leave me a comment, and I'll have to look up what's wrong with that. But the compression test, the fact that after about 10 minutes of running, it starts running quite a bit better all of a sudden, as if the valve freed up. I think I got a stuck valve.